Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best moisture meters for drywall that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or DIY enthusiast, I've done the research for you so you can make the best purchase decision. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Leslieon 2-in-1 Pin and Pinless Moisture Meter MS03. This unit stands out for its versatility, offering both pin and pinless measurement modes. The pin mode provides precise readings for thicker materials like lumber and drywall, while the pinless mode is perfect for protecting delicate surfaces like furniture or antique wood. It even comes with a built-in flashlight, which is super handy for working in low-light conditions. The design is compact, lightweight, and easy to handle, with a clear LCD display for easy reading. One feature I love is that it shows ambient temperature and allows manual calibration for the pinless mode to ensure accurate readings. Its measurement range is impressive, detecting moisture from 0 to 75% in wood and 0 to 25% in building materials, with an accuracy of ±4% RH. However, while the meter performs well across multiple materials, its overall build quality feels a bit less premium compared to others on this list. This is a great option for general use, especially if you're looking for a tool that can do it all. However, its limited availability in some markets and slightly higher weight might be drawbacks for some users. If you're a DIYer or a contractor who needs flexibility, this is definitely worth considering. Pros include the dual modes and flashlight, but cons are the slightly bulky design and the price not being readily available. Coming in at number 4 is the Povlen Pinless Moisture Meter, a non-invasive device designed for precision and convenience. This meter excels at detecting moisture in a variety of materials, including drywall, masonry, wood, and even firewood. Its standout features include 4 measurement modes: softwood, hardwood, wall, and masonry, making it versatile across multiple applications. The design is sleek and modern with an easy-to-read LCD color display. It also includes audible and visual alerts to notify you when moisture exceeds acceptable levels, which is incredibly useful for preventing issues like mold. This device uses advanced sensor technology to ensure quick and accurate results, and the hold function allows you to record readings with a single button press. Plus, it's powered by 3 AAA batteries, which are included in the box, so you're ready to go right out of the package. While the Povlen meter is highly user-friendly, its accuracy is slightly less reliable in extreme conditions compared to more premium options. Another drawback is its limited availability in some regions. Still, for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want an easy-to-use, non-invasive moisture meter, this is a strong contender. Pros include the advanced sensor technology and multiple modes, while cons are its occasional accuracy issues in challenging environments. At number 3, we have the General Tools MMD4E Digital Moisture Meter, which is our premium option. This pinless and non-invasive device is perfect for users who want to avoid damaging their surfaces. It features a 2-inch diagonal backlit LCD screen, a 3-color LED bar graph, and an audible alert for quick and clear moisture detection. The MMD4E can measure moisture levels up to 3/4 inch deep, with ranges of 0 to 53% for softwood and 0 to 35% for hardwood. It's calibrated for drywall, masonry, and other building materials, making it a reliable choice for professionals and homeowners alike. The auto-calibration feature ensures consistent accuracy, and the out-of-range alarm is a fantastic addition for spotting problem areas quickly. Plus, the device is lightweight and ergonomically designed, making it easy to use for extended periods. However, the $49.99 price tag makes it the most expensive option on this list, and its plastic construction, while durable, might feel less premium for the price. Overall, it's an excellent tool for anyone who prioritizes non-invasive measurement and high accuracy. Pros include the pinless design and advanced features, while cons are its higher price and plastic build. In second place, we have the Klein Tools ET140 pinless moisture meter. This is another fantastic non-invasive option that uses electromagnetic field, EMF technology, to measure moisture up to 3/4 inch deep. It's specifically calibrated for drywall, wood, and masonry, making it a go-to choice for contractors and DIYers alike. The design is rugged and durable, with 2-meter drop protection and a reverse contrast display that's easy to read in various lighting conditions. I also appreciate the 9 LED bars that visually indicate the moisture range, which is a nice touch for quickly assessing problem areas. Additionally, features like the hold function, auto power off, and low battery indicator make it a very user-friendly tool. Priced at $44.98, the ET140 offers excellent value. Though it lacks some of the advanced features seen in the general Tools MMD4E, it's ideal for users who want a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use moisture meter without breaking the bank. Pros include its durable build and intuitive design, while its cons are fewer features compared to more expensive models. Finally, at number 1, we have the General Tools MMD4E digital moisture meter. As the most budget-friendly option on the list, priced at just $38.32, this pin-type meter offers incredible value for its price. It features stainless steel pins that provide precise moisture readings, making it perfect for drywall, concrete, and wood. The audible and visual alerts, along with the backlit LCD display, ensure you never miss a reading. The MMD4E is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around for various tasks. It also comes with extra pins, a protective calibration cap, and a 9V battery, so you're all set from the get-go. With a broad range of 5 to 50% for wood and 1.5 to 33% for building materials, it's incredibly versatile, whether you're checking for leaks or inspecting water-damaged areas. While it lacks the non-invasive features of pinless meters, its precision and affordability make it a must-have for budget-conscious users. Pros include its accuracy, affordability, and included accessories, while cons are the invasive pin design and lack of advanced features. If you're just getting started or need a reliable tool for occasional use, the MMD4E is unbeatable for the price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.